Eyes in the sky, getting far into the night. I use my head into the sky, but it's no use, 'cause you can't taste it shining through. It's true, be like the last shine true. If you believe it's true, then the last shine true. You for you. No. Hi everyone, welcome to Shayan Media. Today I am coming with a different type fish fry. Every time if doing same fish fry, little getting bored, So this fish masala fry is little different from this and it is very tasty. Please try this recipe and watch my full video. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe. What is special in this recipe? We need green chilli, coriander leaf, ginger, garlic, curry leaves, tamarind, and the special one is pepper. We should add pepper. If we don't add it, it will not come that much taste. So we should add. Pepper is the main tasty thing in this fish masala fry. So we should add pepper. Don't forget. I said no, all the ingredients like green chilli, that all we should put in a mixie jar and grind it well. Add red chilli powder and turmeric powder and salt. Mix it well.